on, new camera, audiobook going, right? This, when you're out and about, and I also have the Apple AirPods. But this is how you can get 100 books in a year. Like the difference between reading that many and reading a couple here and there is exponentially different. Every book you read builds that lattice work of knowledge. Like you can quote things better, you can think about things better, you can talk about things better. Because every idea that you absorb connects to another idea you absorb, and you build exponential knowledge. And I can't harp enough on the importance of reading books. And obviously I'm gonna pause this and rewind this so I can actually listen. It's not just, it's not just having it on aimlessly. You actually have to absorb the material and think about it. The point of using something like Audible, absorbing information, I mean, that's really the habit you want to develop, whether it's podcasts, books. I listen to podcasts a lot too. I did more often. I've been more into books now because I had the book goal for 2017 of 100 books, which I reached. I think books are a lot more valuable than podcasts in general, but podcasts are very valuable. I've just gotten to the point where I've listened to so many that I kind of discern a little bit what I listen to. Because, a lot of times people talk about the same ideas or the same guests on multiple shows or whatever. Big life tip number one for just living better is audiobooks or books. If you're the type that likes to sit and read on a Kindle, I do both. I like audio during the day, and then at night I read on my Kindle. Life-changing, all right? Life-changing. And we'll be talking about this more and more as we proceed through this vlog, experiment, whatever it is. All right, so guys, have a good day, and see you soon.
Testing out the new cam.
What up, what up?
We out here at our hangout spot. Hi. Good. Favorite Wild products, Nootropic. It's a chocolate nootropic drink for mental performance. It has turmeric in it, raw maca, reishi mushrooms, and mucuna extract. So it's going to increase mental clarity, concentration, and give you a boost of energy. It's the best. I even bring Starbucks with me to my coffee.
Logan_Fusion Lean, he's got a great story. Brain cancer survivor, now he's promoting health, real food, eating.
What'd you say?
I got a meeting for you guys at Expo West. We're launching an organic MCT oil. Seriously? Actually, it's the first time MCT oil has been certified organic ever, and so pretty excited by this. And the company we're working with, they support sustainable agriculture. They've donated $4 million to date. I'm pretty excited.
Best place in Mayo was considered one of the best in the world at this game. It's almost 20 years old. It's pretty awesome that people still play it, actually. I want to talk about yesterday. I've been out sick for a while, kind of dealing with cedar fever, which has been pretty brutal for me the last couple of years. My body today is just like absolutely demolished. 1 sec. Recording a video while playing this in the beginning game is probably not the best thing to do. So I'm trying to get in the habit of recording daily, talking about everyday stuff. I mean, I don't really want to do a daily vlog because that just requires a massive amount of time, and I'm busy trying to grow wild foods and just doing a lot of stuff that I need to get done. I was going to talk today about how I feel and about working out and exercise and when you're not feeling so hot. And exercise is a stress on the body, no matter how you put it. Exercise needs to be very closely regulated, especially when it's extreme, lifting weights, playing a sport at a certain high level. Like, we're made to move every day, but we're made to kind of walk slowly, move at a casual pace, maybe pick things up here and there, sprint here and there, whether we're playing a game, whether we're hunting. We're not made to kind of do like 20, 30, 40 minute workouts where we're at like a 90 to 95% threshold of what we're able to do, right? I mean, the human being is amazing what we've been able to do. Like, once we broke the 4-minute mile banister, then, a bunch of other people broke it because basically everyone saw that it could be done. And then so the mental limitation was gone, and we did it. And we're seeing that every year with powerlifting records, CrossFit game records, weightlifting, Olympic weightlifting, all these things. Constantly records are getting broken, mostly because someone kind of came first, right? I guess what I'm trying to say is you have to really listen to your body. And I remember reading a quote with James Clear, and he's got a lot of good stuff. I recommend reading some of his articles. He was talking about how he was doing a workout, and on the second to last set of squats, he felt kind of a twinge in his leg. He was supposed to do another set, and maybe he could have finished it, but he just decided, you know what, if I'm gonna do this every week, multiple times a week for the rest of my life, why do I need to worry about getting this other set right here? He did his work. His body kind of hit a limitation that it hit, and it doesn't really have good ROI to push past that. Listen to your body. I went to the gym yesterday, first pretty semi-hard workout in a while, and I am just absolutely destroyed today. And my body's just been weak. When your body starts getting weak, everything breaks down, everything gets weaker.